guys, it's Faith 7 again, and you're welcome back to my channel. I'll be giving you a summary of week 4 at the Web3Bridge house. So this week I learned how to write smart contracts proper and how to interact with existing smart contracts. So in writing smart contract this week, I was able to write my own token contract from scratch, writing down the logic it takes to build a token smart contract, and tested it out, and it was working perfectly, which was a great thing to me, and I was very happy about that. I've been able to start writing smart contract, logic of writing smart contract, testing it, and it's wonderful. Also, I learned how to interact with smart contracts, and interacting with smart contracts, I learned various ways of interacting with smart contracts. First, I learned the concept of inheritance. Inheritance means inheriting an already deployed smart contract, and so this way you don't need to write your own contract like from scratch. You can inherit a previously written deployed smart contract into your own contract, and all the functions, public functions, internal functions in those contracts will be available to you to use in your own contract. And I worked with Open Zeppelin library. I was able to inherit their token contract and built another token using the concept of inheritance. I also learned about interface. Interface meaning that I just pick up the functions in an already deployed or an already existing contract and call in my own contract just the functions that I need, and I call them in my contract. And I have to create a separate file for the interface because it's just the function definitions I need. I don't need the entire implementation of the functions in the interface. So yeah, the function definitions that I want to use from the already existing contract, I write them down in the interface, and then I import the interface to my own smart contract file, and then I do my own implementations file in the contract. And I also learned the concept of multi-sig contracts, factory contracts. Factory contract meaning that once a contract has been deployed, you can deploy child contracts referencing that particular contract. And I also learned the concept of writing scripts to test my contract, because this week we didn't just rely on Remix. We had to use VS Code, and I had to understand a little bit of Hadat to be able to write my own contract and write scripts for this contract. And I definitely had to start learning a bit of TypeScript, which is just like JavaScript but the typed version of JavaScript. So this week has been great. I also did some low-level interaction with smart contract using the .call method, .delegate call, and .static calls to my contract to interface or to interact with an existing contract. So this is most of the summary of most of the things we did this week at the Web3Bridge house, and it has been amazing. It has been challenging, it has been interesting, it has been wonderful, because newer concepts, newer ways of solving problems, of achieving things. And I have really been amazed, and I've been wowed with our learnings this week. Big thumbs up to our tutor, Miss Wura. She has been doing a very great job. And next week I'll be letting you know on the next new thing I've learned and my journey so far. Thank you for always supporting me and staying tuned to my channel. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I love you all. Bye.